Hi, I'm Dedra Hughes with Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group, and this is Sarah Maxwell, and we're missing Brooke Peterman because she's tailgating at the Valdosta Lowndes game. But Sarah and I are on a cozy back porch in Sherwood Rolling Condominiums. This is a rare find because it's very private back here, and this is also a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's seldom that these come on the market. There's a couple of other things that make this one unique. Sarah, tell us about it.
Well, I like this condo because it features vaulted ceilings in the living room. There's also a fireplace. There's LVP flooring in the living spaces as well. The kitchen is galley style and the master bedroom is tucked away for privacy. So call Brooke or your favorite realtor to see it today. Let's go.